welcome to another episode of Kids Craft Corner with Buttons and Bows Boutique. I'm Bree, and this little mermaid princess here is Rosie. Rosie, can you say hi?
Hello.
So this month we are going to be making a personalized apron. This is going to be a Father's Day gift for her grandpa. So if any of you have dads or grandpas, their uncles that like to bake or cook or barbecue, this is a great idea. So before we get started, we're going to go through everything that you're going to need. You're going to need a sponge brush or a paintbrush, a couple different colors of fabric paint, and the ones that we are using are royal blue and leaf green. We have the soft matte, which we're going to be using to put handprints on the apron, and then we're also using navy blue and leaf green slick dimensional fabric paint, and then we have a blank apron from Hobby Lobby. When you get your apron, make sure that you get the adult size and not the kid size. If you get them from Hobby Lobby, there's a few different options that they have. They've got black ones, they've got jean textured ones. I think there's a beige. This one's kind of an off-white. And then if you know how to sew, you can sew on trim or some sort of decoration. You could also get some of the iron-on patches to decorate it with if you wanted. We're just going to be painting this, but you'd want to do that before, put on any embellishments or anything before you do the painting. That way you're not trying to secure it on top of the paint. So the first thing we are going to do is our handprints. So we are going to take our paint, let me see this, and put some paint on our brush. I don't know why I screwed the lid off. It's got one of those pop tops. And just get a lot of paint on and so one thing about this fabric paint is that, I don't know if I mentioned, this needs to be fabric paint, not just normal paint. That way it doesn't wash off when the apron gets washed. The thing about this fabric paint is it dries very fast. So you're going to have to get a lot of paint on your child's hand so that it actually transfers to the apron well. Okay, so handprint. Yay! All right, so I am going to go rinse out this sponge brush real quick, and then we're going to do the next color. Okay, so now we're going to do a few handprints in the green. Can we do your other hand, baby? Your other hand. Didn't really show. Okay, so now we have little handprints on the apron. We're going to go wash our hands off real quick so we're not getting paint all over the place, even though we already did apparently. And then we will be right back, okay? Okay, hands are all clean now. So we are going to move on to the next part, which is going to be our writing. So for the writing, it would be very helpful for you to get a bottle that has a nozzle like this so that you don't have to worry about trying to use a paintbrush. So we're going to do our writing. I'm going to do the end first because that's the part that she's going to be able to help with, and then I will do the beginning of the writing after. So the reason that I got the dimensional paint for the writing instead of the flat paint like for the handprints is so that the writing stands out a little bit more, because I'm using the same colors that the handprints are in. If you're using a different color completely, then, if you're using a completely different color for the writing than you did for the handprints, then it's a little bit less important that you use a dimensional paint, but I think that it also makes the words stand out a little bit more regardless of what colors you do. So, do you want to write your name? Let's write your name. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and try to really quickly write this message on here. So I am done with the writing now. Go ahead and show you guys. So it says, "Hello, my name is Daddy, Papa, Grill King. Happy Father's Day 2019. Love, Rosie and Ileana." So, oh no, the strap's kind of messed up the L. Okay, well, it's made by kids, so I guess that's okay. Okay, so we have to let this dry on a flat surface for 4 hours so that the paint can set without having to worry about being smeared, and then we have to wait for 3 days for it to dry completely before washing it. After that 3 days, it should be safe to wash it in the washing machine. So just make sure that you allow for 3 full days before it gets used at all, and at least 4 hours before it's gifted. So that's all that there is to it. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do a video each month, and it's all stuff that's very simple, easy for little ones, little hands. So yeah, happy Father's Day to all of you daddies out there. Bye.